Hello crafty friends, welcome back to another tag art journal video. As is Halloween again, I'm sorry. I really like them, sorry. Anyway, it's very easy to make, quite quick, and almost everything apart the ink is included in the kit. So I'm gonna start coloring by using a scrap piece of paper. Any scrap paper you got will be fine. You need to manual cut it though, and then I started coloring with the distress ink. Is a vintage photo, and I'm gonna make some fake bandage, and that's it. It's gonna take a while, so I will leave you with some music and I'll talk to you in a bit. And once the old color is done, I'm just gonna dry it with my heat gun just to make sure I don't leave too much too much of a mess because the Oxide ink is still a bit wet. And then I'm gonna use a couple of bubbly eyes. They come in the kit as well, by the way. That's it, just a couple to create this funny hiding mummy ghost things. And then I will use some of the bubble speech die cuts, still this one available as well in the kit. And the letters that come in the kits, they are black and they got a sticky back, so you can remove the sticky back and attach it directly. I'm testing now what it looks like, the final product, and it looks quite funky. I like it. This is not our original idea, of course. I saw it in Pinterest years ago, and I just make a little variant, but it's quite popular, I think, and quite known design. So I'm gonna apply a bit of color around the bubble speech just to let them pop in a bit more, pop up a bit more from the tag, from the background. And I'm using wild honey for the first one and twisted citrus for the second one. There we go, a little bit just around the edges. The finger dabbers are quite good for this kind of things. That is not included in the kit, I'm afraid. And now I can start to attach the letters. They do have a sticky back, as I said, and they're quite easy to peel off. But if you got fat fingers like me, like my ones, then you might want to use something. I've got a little tools. It's got a very sharp little needle on one side, and it makes it easy to remove the release paper from the back of the letters. And then I will do the same things with every single one, so I'll talk to you in a minute. Now it's time to assemble the whole things by gluing everything down, starting with the bubbly eyes. I'm using Glossy Accent. I had another bottle, but it looks like it's got a bit stuck, so I'm hoping it's a new one. I should have, but I'm lazy and try to be very fast. So I'm touching the first two eyes. The second one has got one little and one bigger eye, just to make it more funny. You know, when you're scared, one eye's go bigger in the cartoons. There you go. And to attach the bubble speech, I'm going to use some foam tape, some of the foam square that come in the kit. So just to let it pop up, give a bit of dimension. There you go. And the second one. So this one, as I said, was a very, very simple little tag. It can be translated in a card, if you want, very easily. And that's it, and it's all done. Thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you so much for watching and be patient with me. I hope you had fun a bit, enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.